Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today you should have started off watching Taslima Maya Art. After Tazzy, you have Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. After him, you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me, you have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. And after her, you have Sis or Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And after Sis, you have the sweet Hippy Dippy Painterman and maybe my lovely Sis Cat. Alright, so today I'm starting a new series. I'm going to start from the beginning. I'm going to start with showing you my pouring medium and what I use to mix my colors with. We're going to do a whole series on coasters because coasters, I believe, are the easiest thing to start out with. They're small, it doesn't take up much pillow paint, they're easy to scrape, you can reuse them, and they don't cost a ton of money to get them. So you can really go with one or two coasters. As you know, if you're just practicing, you can just use one or two and last you a long time just to practice. We're going to do some simple ones first though. We're just going to do no cell activators, just some simple pretty designs, see what we can come up with, and we're just going to show you how to do it. So I'm going to start out, like I said, by showing you how to mix up my pouring medium and mix the colors. So I use Behr 8300. You get this at Home Depot. I use that, and I use Josanya Gloss Varnish. I get this from Amazon, and I get that from Home Depot. I've got some colors here. I've got a tube paint, which is Pebeo, and it is fluorescent pink. I've got just a cheap acrylic craft paint. Is it's Art Skills Crafters, and it's a neon yellow. I'm going to go with that. I have just a pigment, and it is About mica powder, and it is sky blue. And then I have two other bottles here of paint, and they're color shifts, and one is Aqua Flash and the other one is Purple Flash. So we're going to roll with those colors. Now the first thing, not everybody may do this. Everybody has a different taste on how they like their colors. If they like them thicker, thinner, I like my colors thicker. I don't really measure anymore. I'm going to try to measure out a little bit for you guys, but I don't measure. I just go by consistency. So usually what I do is, this is the only one I have right now. I usually have a smaller one to use, but I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to go with, I don't measure, so I hate doing this. I'm just going to put like maybe a quarter of this in here, and this is a tablespoon. So we are just going to do like a quarter of this and go like that, and then we're going to go with the Behr 8300, and I just I do this for each of them. I don't mix up my pouring medium ahead of time. I just mix it right with the colors, and maybe that's not the way to do it, but that's usually what I do. So I'm going to do it one at a time because we have some different kinds. So I'm going to go with the tube paint first, which is Pebeo. So a lot of times your tube paints are a little bit thicker. So we're going to take this, and I already put that in there. So I'm just going to take it, and I'm just going to put about the same amount like that in there. See, I'm kind of winging it, so sorry guys. And we're going to put that in there, and then I'm really going to just put my Behr 8300 in there to consistency. That's how I do it. I don't know that anybody does it like that, but it works for me. So okay, so we're going to do that. I usually don't even do this. I usually just squirt some in there. Sorry, but that's the way I do it. Okay, so we're going to mix this up first. See what we got. And now my Behr 8300, it used to be really, really thick. It's a little thinner than it used to be. This one here is a little thicker than the last one I had. The last one was just, it was really almost runny. It was terrible. I had to go get some of that gloss gel to add to it to make it thicker in order for it to work. Okay, so I mixed this up thoroughly with the Josanya, and you don't want to use too much Josanya either, because it will, especially if you're doing cells or something like that, it will make your cells definitely wonky. So You don't want to do that. The rest. So mix it up good, and then we are just gonna, guys, I can't really measure, so I'm just gonna show you how I do it, and that's gonna be the way it is. So. Okay, I've sped this up a little bit because nobody wants to sit here and watch me mix paint for a while, but I'm just adding in scoop at a time of my Behr 8300 and mixing it up to the right consistency that I like it. Some people mix up their pouring media ahead of time. I guess I just don't. I never have. I'm going to add a little bit more Behr here because it needed just a little more. That's what I'm doing. To me, it just works this way. All right, and I'm just going to do this for each one, and I'm just going to play a little music for you guys while I do this. If there's anything important, I will stop it and let you guys know, but I'll slow it down so you guys can see my consistencies.
I don't know about you, but you make me crazy. Never got your name, but you got me begging. I don't know about you, you like to pick and choose, make it all about you. Go take it all if you want. Taking the chance, stuck in my head, not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat, just wanna give you my best. I don't even know your name, but you got me, 'cause you're old to die. We don't know what happens next, but you got me, 'cause I'm next in line. You make it look so easy, making me feel so dreamy. Not the one who pays for drinks, but you got me, 'cause you're old to die. Got me locked in now. Go ahead and take a shot. Do you really want me? Maybe you're just playing. The way you're making it move, yeah, you do it so smooth. Make it all about you. Can have it all if you want. Taking the chance, stuck in my head, not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat, just wanna give you my best. Taking the chance, stuck in my head, not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat, just wanna give you my best. I don't even know your name, but you got me, 'cause you're old to die. We don't know what happens next, but you got me, 'cause I'm next in line. You make it look so easy, making me feel so dreamy. Not the one who pays for drinks, but you got me, 'cause you're old to die. Yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me, yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me, yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me, yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me, yeah. Show my love for you, show my love for you, yeah. Show my love for you, show my love for you.
Okay guys, I'm back. I put my pillow paint down, which is Glidden Premium and Satin. We're going to do a really simple coaster, no cell activator, no anything, just put some colors down and do some patterns through it. Meanwhile, I will just play some music and let you watch.
I've been feeling lost. I've been feeling empty. I've been holding on to someone that really wasn't worth it. I put out my heart, gave it my all. In the end, it didn't matter. I'll go back to the start and heal my scars. I know I can do better. But now I'm delirious. trees aren't green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows are capturing. I know must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise. I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know I can't make it through. Every night it's the same. I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know all of my problems. I know. Where did it go? The feeling of thirst, desire to be a rock in my heels. I'm numb as a poison, flows in my veins. Guess I got used to avoiding the pain. I know must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise. I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know I can't make it through. Every night it's the same. I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know all of my problems. I know. Maybe I need a break. Maybe that's why I fade into this bitter taste. I think I'll let it be.
I'm going to bring it down this way just a little and see if I can't get it to come down this way a little more. So I'm going to have to spin it super easy so it don't fly off. Okay. Yeah, that looks a little better, I think. Alright, maybe do it all the way this way. Let's just do it this way one time, and I think we're going to call this good. Yeah, she's pretty. Okay. Alright guys, I'm just going to bring you guys down for a close-up. Alright guys, here she is. Tell me what you think in the comments. I think she's really pretty. I mean, see, it just goes to show you don't have to have cells, and you don't have to have a ton of colors, or, you know, you don't have to be able to blow out a bloom. Now, if this didn't turn out the way you like, you can always scrape it off and do it again. If you don't like the colors, whatever. Super simple to scrape off, and not too much money to replace it. So it's a good cheap way to do some coasters. I'm going to show you with the light on now. Alright guys, here she is with the light on. Yeah, she's super pretty. I'm going to be doing a series on these coasters. We're going to do a bunch of different things with them, just to show you guys how you know how many different ways you can do coasters. There's a ton, and they don't all have to be with cell activator. There's super simple ones that you guys can do. You can follow along. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. There will be a playlist in my description. I'm going to keep adding these to them. So each day, or each time Sunday, I'm going to add another video to it. So yeah, so be prepared, and you know, I hope you guys watch, and I hope you guys enjoy this, and I hope maybe it helps some people to be able to do a few things, and to learn how to do others, because it's really one of the easiest ways to start out is to do coasters. I tell you what, when I have a bad paint day, this is the first thing I do. I grab a coaster and I do it because they just work, and it's a good confidence booster. So stick with me, and next week I will do part 2 of the series. All right, guys. Love you. Have a great day or great night wherever you are. Shannon Baxman is up next, so don't go anywhere. All right, guys. Bye.